All right, welcome to this little lesson on how to create an outline for a process essay. If you see here on my screen, I have just a blank template for a process essay. Roman numeral 1 represents your introductory paragraph where you discuss your topic. Roman numeral 2 represents body paragraph 1 where you discuss step 1 of your process. Roman numeral 3 represents your second body paragraph where you discuss the second step of your process. Notice under each one of these Roman numerals we have A, B, and C. The A, the B, and the C each represent elaboration, how you fully define that step, how you describe the step. So let's look at an example. Let's say back in week 2 you wrote a process paragraph on stripping and refinishing an old wooden door. You may have written just a few sentences on how to strip the door, sand the door, and stain the door. You probably didn't go into enough detail. Today, this week, you are going to work on creating an outline to turn this paragraph into a 5-paragraph essay. So how do we do that? Well, we go back to our template here and we begin by typing in our information. So we start with our topic, refinishing an old wooden door. That's our topic. What's step 1 of our process? Well, we start by stripping the door. That's step 1. So that's what our first body paragraph is going to be about. The next thing we're going to do is break it into smaller pieces. Describe that process. What do we do first? Well, first we use a good paint stripper, thoroughly apply the stripper to the door, making sure to go in the same direction. The next step would be to let the stripper sit for 30 minutes. Then we would using a scraper, scrape off the stripper and the paint. So this is the information we're going to describe when we write that first body paragraph that describes step 1 of our process, stripping the door. Then we move on to the next step, which is sanding the door. So A, B, and C, we would add additional information that describes this step. So let me now show you what a completed outline would look like. We have all of these details under each step of the process to describe that step, and that makes it very easy for us to then turn around, look at our outline, and go and write that paragraph because we've already done all of the planning. So what we did, notice how detailed this outline for a process essay is compared with when we did our paragraph. It was very simple. We maybe only had one point to elaborate on each step. This is just what one paragraph would look like outlined. Now we're ready to go. We've got all of this information. We've planned out each step. We're ready to go. So this week, use the template, fill in the information, and that is really, really important if you want to have an organized essay. Complete the outline first. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.